today we're going to be building my PC. I got the case, fans, motherboard, and power supply there. I got this other PC because I'm going to be using the processor. It's an i5 3470, and this is a RX 4 or 570 4 gig. So yeah, let me unpack all this shit and we'll show you. Alright guys, so I took the motherboard or the CPU out, and I took the battery for the motherboard out too. This is an i5 3470, and let's get this thing open. Okay, let's insert the CPU. Alright, CPU is inserted. Hold on, let me get this. There we go. There's a CPU inserted. There is a little bit of thermal paste on, but I have 16 gigs of RAM. These are a Yongsheng whatever, Yongsheng, but this 32 or not 32, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 by, oh, I did not even realize that, but okay, that's nice. Okay, get that inserted. Alright, and the other stick inserted. And there's that. So now let's get the cooler. I have the cooler right here, and let's put this on. Let's hope the RAM doesn't block the cooler. That's the only thing I'm worried about. So there's that. I do have some thermal paste in here. Let's get these screws. And hopefully that has a thermal paste. I don't need that. Let's go shoot. Okay, so after a dumb process I had to do, I finally got this thing in. So I just take out this motherboard. It's all in there now. Hopefully I didn't break anything. That puts so much force on that, but let's move all this stuff out and put it in the case. So I did end up going with 8 gigs of RAM because my other RAM was getting pushed out of the way and stuff. Not anything that happened. There's screws in this motherboard. I don't know where. Where would they be? The I/O shield. And okay, so let's put the I/O shield on.